Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Utoxeter for Bramshall Road Parkrun. Bramshall Road is a 3-lap course run over multi-terrain and, as far as I'm aware, attracts under 100 people a week. So this should be a nice and relaxed affair. There's certainly plenty of crossover points here, which gives you a chance to see everyone else. First impressions, it's very nice, but quite undulating, which I had not prepared for this morning. As with any lap course, I'll try and show different bits on different laps to keep it interesting for you all. Oh, train! That's not something you see on a parkrun very often. 1 lap complete, 2 to go. I really like this Copper Beach Avenue. It reminds me of my parents' old house. We used to have a copper beach at the bottom of the garden, and this is bringing back lovely memories. Just a word to the wise, if you're a person who struggles running on tight paths and in sometimes confined spaces, be aware that this course can be tight in places. And so this may not be the course for you, if that does apply. Sorry for the lack of talking this morning. Really struggling. I'm literally having to concentrate on putting one foot in front of another. So trying to film and talk are quite difficult currently. This is a really pretty parkrun. Weeping willows, a river and a pond. The birds singing, the railway going past, and all these friendly volunteers. I'm having a lovely time this morning. I just wish my time will do it justice. Thank you, Marshall.
Well done, guys. Well done. Amazing.
Right, up this hill for the last time. Thank you. Thank you. Well, that was a tough run today. It has gone really humid since we started, and I think that was just zapping my energy towards the end. Massive thank you to the marshals though. Stood out here in, let's be fair, pretty nice conditions, but so friendly and nice to talk to, so thank you very much. Strava reckons I've come back with about 38 minutes. So, if that's accurate, I'm creeping that time down again, back towards the 36 minutes I did at Tewkesbury in January. We shall see. Next week, I'm hoping to have a long tour, but we shall see what the weather does. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.